at the puff. Okay, check it out, honey. Get into the edges.
I'm gonna test this out. Keep in mind that I'm an artist. I'm sensitive about my shit.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Chariti and I am back with another video. Today I am showing y'all a little natural bead, and I am also going to be showing you guys how I pull off the matte look on my dry skin, because my skin is very dry, especially now that it is winter. My skin is extremely dry, so I just wanted y'all to see that, you know, I still do, you know, matte looks, and it is still very much achievable on dry skin. So, you know what I'm saying? If you are interested in today's video, just keep on watching. Okay. Ooh, this is a puff. What I'm going to do first is prime, taking my NYX Hydra-Touch Primer, and I'm also going to be using my mattifying primer from Cover FX. And with that one, I'm just going to go on my nose. Oh, this primer feels so good whenever I put it on. Alright, taking my Cover FX and just putting a little on my nose right there. And just gonna do that. Because y'all know I just want my nose to stay matte throughout the day, because it's the only area of my face that just gets like really oily for no reason. For foundation, I'm going to be mixing two. I'm going in with my face tape from Tarte and my Lancome Tarte Idol foundation. Why couldn't I think of the word? And Tarte 57S. It's Rich Sand. Rich Sand is the color, and I'm 470 in Lancome. And of course, I will be mixing the two with my NYX Honey Do Me Up drops. Okay. Other than that, it's such a great combination. Both of them are both foundations. They're not really going to be so matte. So if anything, this combination is perfect for anyone with dry skin. Okay, so for concealer, let me see my, yes, for concealer, I am going back in, you know, y'all know I used to use this a lot and I have slowed down with it, but I am using this again. This is the Anastasia. I saw a little patch. The Anastasia concealer. And I like using creams in the cooler months. I really do. Just because it does not dry me out at all. And it's just so easy for my under eyes to start like patching and acting weird. So going in with this cream base concealer first, it's gonna help the second concealer that I'm using, which is more of a liquid formula. It's gonna help it to not create like patchiness under the eye or cling to any texture. This is just such a comfortable formula, which is why I loved it and still love it so much, because, you know, it's not too thick, because creams can be too thick real quick, you know what I'm saying? Oh, that's rhyme. Look at that rhyme right there. Okay. It just doesn't give enough pigment as I would like it to. Like, once you blend it in, it's like really subtle, you know? The coverage is not as much as I would like it to be. So for my second concealer, I'm going in with my Becca Aqua Luminous Perfecting. Now this is going to be really hydrating. And it's a very, very thin formula. It's a very thin formula. The consistency of it is very like watery. But I like the coverage. I'm going back home next week. Ooh. Yeah, I'm about to eat so good when I go home. I cannot wait. Like, I'm going home and I'm making sure I get me like, I'm gonna have a crab tray every single day while I'm there. Literally. I love seafood, and Texas seafood is just, it's not it for real. And if it's it, it's just way too expensive for no reason, if we're being honest. Because it's still not the best. And to be able to go home and get a garlic crab tray for like somewhere between $12 to $15, that's incredible, honey. So I cannot wait. Alright, I'm gonna set with this NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop setting powder. Or should I? No, I don't want to do this one. I want to do my Beauty Bakery flower powder, and this is in the shade yellow, of course. But yeah, like, I'm just looking for to going home and eating good and just getting some good old seafood and soul food, because those are my favorite foods ever. Like, honestly. And I'm looking forward to getting me some oxtails. Alright, so because I'm not really doing eye makeup today at all. So I really want to contour. Just go all out on the face makeup since I ain't doing nothing on the eyes. So I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty matchstick in the shade Espresso. You know what I'm saying? Contour right there on my chin and stuff. There we go. Another cream-based product, easy to blend out. I do warm the matchsticks up on the back of my hands before putting them on my skin, because the matchsticks can be a little drying. But even Priscilla Ono, the global makeup artist for Fenty Beauty, she even said that she recommends you warming them up on the back of your hands and then applying. So how's everybody's 2020 going so far? What is it? Oh, it's the 23rd, honey. January is almost over. Okay, first month down, y'all. I was looking, I've been seeing Twitter. Twitter is so funny. I've been seeing Twitter a lot of, it's been going around, like there was a tweet that went viral that had said they 2020 starting February 1st, and it had me so dead. I mean, like, I didn't expect for some magical change or to take place like January 1st, literally. Like, you know, I know New Year's goals and New Year's resolutions gonna take some time. You know what I'm saying? It's just about what are you gonna do differently going in the new year. Because I just feel like, you know, new year, new decade, you couldn't go into it doing the same old stuff. Not if you wanted to see something different anyway. Mine's is going pretty cool. I ain't got no complaints, you know what I'm saying? I'm at a very happy and peaceful place in my life right now, so, you know what I'm saying? That should never be compromised. However, it has been plenty times before, so I'm just thankful for the place I'm in currently. So I don't have any complaints. I'm all good over this way. I'm just so mad because the weather said that Texas was supposed to be sunny today, and it's not. It's not sunny at all. It's a contour, honey. So it is bronzer time. First I'm going in with CoCo Naughty by Fenty Beauty, and then I'm going in with Tawny Mommy from Kylie Cosmetics. Tawny Mommy is a little bit deeper than the CoCo Naughty, so I'm gonna go in with that to do some more like sculpting, and the CoCo Naughty is for bronzing. This is my new fave, and y'all know that. I've been seeing repeated numbers a lot lately, and I have been keeping track. Every time I see some, I put it in my notes. I love to keep track of reoccurring things. Just feel like my angels have been talking to me, honey. When your angels or the universe is talking to you, you better listen. I just love being bronzed. I thought about not doing blush today, but who am I kidding? Which I don't know if I've never done just, you know, a bronze look. Oh. Okay. I'm gonna just go in with Humor Me. For the longest, like at first I started calling it Humor Me by its, you know, its name. And then it slowly turned into Harmony. Like, I don't know how I started calling this blush Harmony at all. I don't know what that was about, but I'm just happy I caught on to it. I hope nothing about that is crooked. Oh well, like, at the end of the day, it is what it is, and it's just what it's gonna be. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows off of camera, of course. And I think we're gonna be right back, guys. Bye. Alright. What I'm gonna do next is take my MAC Mineralize in the shade Dark. Y'all already know the deal, honestly. Y'all already know what's up. I'm just setting my face with this. I'm gonna go back into CoCo Naughty, and I am going to just powder contour. And with this, I'm gonna take it into my brow. Y'all know I love this step. Shout out to Jackie Aina, the queen herself, because that's where I picked up on this little technique. I used to just take it all the way in here, but I never went up into the brow with it, so that's what I do now. So I believe this is the last step for face. Going into my Dragon Beauty Transformation Powder, I'm going to take the yellow one, which is going to lighten it up to the fullest. This one is the more intense one, the yellow one. And I'm definitely going to go on the sides where I contour just to cut it, because this makes great for doing that. And just going to take it right up under there where my eyes are, under my eye area. Just going to pat it on. Just gonna take some bronzer, and I'm just gonna go right into my crease with it. This is what I do when I'm not doing any shadow, just to deepen the eyes a little bit. And then I like to blend it into my nose contour right there. So before I do anything else, I'm gonna set my face with my NYX Bear With Me setting spray. I am going to do highlighter. I'm doing this Born to Glow highlighter from NYX, and this is called a Ultra Light Beam. A little bit of that Ultra Light Beam. But that's pretty. I like that it's not too pigmented. Like, can really take my time and build this up. It's not too much, you know. So I'm gonna put some on my brow bone, make that pop, especially because we didn't do shadow. So For lips, I am going to go into this NYX Lingerie Push-Up Liner, and it is called After Hours. And then I am taking my more creamer please from Dose of Colors to fill them in. Y'all know this is my fave. And then I'm going to go in with Super Nude from KKW Beauty, another fave of mine. And then on top of that, I am going to take I Am Too Smart from the Smarty Pants collection by MAC. Okay, y'all, so this is pretty much the final look. As you can see, I am matte, but my face is not tight. It don't feel cracky. It doesn't feel dry at all, and it doesn't feel overly dry. It feels completely weightless. Like I feel like I have nothing on. And this is a really pretty, natural, simple beat. You know what I'm saying? So you could do a matte look on dry skin. It is very much achievable. It's just about the products you use and what you pair your products with, really. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Please be sure to comment down below. Let me know what you want to see from me on my channel. Give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel, and then be sure to turn on your post notifications so you will be notified whenever I do upload. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys.